Take a ride in the 2017 Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, running boards, backup camera, heated seats, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.